So one point is the state had been generation friendly and in tune with the policy of the Government of India and in tune with the vision of the Electricity Act 2003. Second issue is the tariff, despite some tariff increase and all that had taken place, but if you really go across the research database, you will find compared to most of the states, our tariff still remains lower. That takes into account, which the regulator has done, the load factor incentive removal, and that takes into account the TOD, time of the day tariff. Because the tariff has never increased from 2002-03 onwards. I am not getting into the incentivization of the new industry, which is the prerogative of the Commission on Industry. The third thing is so far as captive power is concerned, because there is a question of captive power. This question, I would paraphrase the captive power in a sense. Captive power, there are many people who have different perceptions of captive power. Captive power is now defined in the Electricity Act, Section 2 of the Act, Section 7 of the Act, Rule 3 of the rules, which is framed under the Electricity Act. It means that there should be that 26% of the equity generator should have in the consumer, and also they should have the majority of the consumption. One of the concepts of captive power which goes on in the state is the APGPCL. Andhra Pradesh, I don't know any of you are there or not in the member, with the gas-fed power generation, which goes as a captive consumer, which is one of the best public-private initiative thought by our people, the industrial fraternity and our predecessors with a lot of vision, and has come into effect almost 20 years back. In the captive power, the generator, it has to prove every year that it is conforming to the definition of the captive power. And the consumer at that time, if he is a captive consumer within the definition of the Act, they don't pay the cross-subsidy charges. As soon as the yardstick of definition is not met, then automatically all those charges will impinge on the transaction. So my only request is, whoever is talking about captive power, kindly see the Act and kindly see the rules and see that you comply with them. Otherwise tomorrow, when it is verified and found that the captive, you are not the captive power in terms of the Act, you are facing a huge revenue liability which you might not have provided for in your accounts. That is what exactly happens.